Ayusin, ang Constitution will really be for the next generation. It will not be for this leadership. I like that a congressman, you're talking of Bronny Puno?
Yes.
Oo, yung dating DLG secretary, no? We were his consultants noon when he was the LG secretary. And noon pa lang, ay talagang gusto na rin niyang balangkasin yung charter change, di ba? Yan dapat ang ayusin natin, Attorney Karen. Structural change will change behavior of people. That's the only way. Because I think I mentioned to you already in your previous interviews with me, to change you, it will take 3 generations. We're talking 90 years. Tagal nun.
Yes. Oo.
Palitan kita, ayusin ko lang yung struktura within which you are operating. And that means revising the 87 Constitution. Ano na siya? Siyam na yung draft na yan. Hindi ka na magkakalkal o magsasaliksik pa. So, siguro sa 2028 ballot, maglagay sila ng isang question doon. Do you want to revise the 87 Constitution? Yes or no? Tapos noon, either con us or whatever, initiative.
So,